Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 2a. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. And C. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Let us solve first question number A. Question number A is, here you see, question number A. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Let us take two integers. Question number A is question number A. Let us take two integers as A and B. Let us take two integers as A and B, A and B. According to the question, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. That is A minus B. Therefore, you have to take A minus B should be gives the result as 8. Now let us take A as minus 10, A as minus 10 and B as minus 18. Now if you put the values on left hand side, here left hand side is A minus B, that is left hand side is equal to A minus B. Therefore, the value of A is minus 10 minus of B is minus 18. Therefore, we are getting minus 10 and minus into minus is plus 18. Minus 10 plus 18, that gives us plus 8, which is equal to right hand side, RHS. Right? Therefore, the pair of negative integers is minus 18, minus 10 and minus 18 is the pair of integer is the pair of integer pair of negative integers, that is negative, pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8, whose difference gives 8, whose difference whose difference gives 8. Whose difference gives 8. Gives 8. This is the solution of question number A. Now we solve question number B. Question number B is now question number B. Question number B is here you see, that is question number B. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. Let us take question number B is, let us take two integers. Let us take two integers, two integers, two integers as a and b, right? Now whose sum is -5. Therefore, you can write a plus b is equal to 5. According to the question, you can write a plus b is equal to -5. Now, you have to take one negative integer and one positive integer. Let us take a as -8. Let us take a is equal to -8 and b is equal to +3. Therefore, left hand side is equal to a plus b. A is -8 plus b is +3. That is, one is negative integer, another is positive. This is negative integer and this is positive integer, right? That is -8 -8 plus into plus is +3, 3, that gives us -5, which is equal to right hand side, right? Therefore, the pair is -8 and +3 is the pair of negative integer, is a pair of negative integer, and positive integer, and positive and positive integer, positive integer whose sum is -5, whose sum is -5, whose sum is -5, right? This is the solution of question number B. Now we will solve question number C. Question number C is, you see, the question number C is write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is -3. Question number C. Let us take two integers, integers. Let us take two integers a and b, a and b. According to the question, a minus b is equal to minus 3. A minus b is equal to minus 3. Is equal to minus 3. Let us take a is equal to minus 1. It is a negative integer, and b is equal to plus 2. That is a positive integer, plus 2. Now we will find the difference a minus b, that is left hand side. Left hand side is equal to a minus b. A minus b. The value of a is minus 1 minus the value of b is plus 2 plus 2. Therefore, we are getting minus 1 minus into plus is minus 2, that we are getting minus 3, which is equal to right hand side. Right hand side. Therefore, minus 1 and plus 2. You can take other number also. Minus 1 plus 2 is a pair of negative integer, and a positive integer, and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3, whose difference is minus 3. Right? This is the solution of question number 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.